Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make Procreate brushes. Continuing our artist series, let's get into a brush that emulates the famous line art of the great Henri Matisse, select Pablo Picasso pieces, and even the work of Luke Edward Hall to help you create stunning art pieces, the Streaky Matisse brush. It's a brush that gives you a stroke with two different levels of saturation that make it look streaky and unique. We'll be creating this with built-in PROCREATE shapes, and I'll teach you which settings to make to create this eye-catching brush that will add artistry to your creations. So, let's get started and make this brush. We'll be starting with an open canvas, doesn't matter the size or the resolution. Now, choose your brush library, and tap on the plus sign to make a new brush. In Stroke Path, set Stroke Property Spacing to 5%. In Stabilization, set your preferred streamline settings. If you prefer a more freehand approach to your artwork, then don't put any settings in this section. In Shape, tap Edit beside Shape Source, tap Import, then choose Source Library. From the selections, choose Ink Sponge. Tap Done twice to save shape. In Grain, tap Edit beside Grain Source, tap Import, then choose Source Library. We'll be using a grain from the Shape Source Library, so tap on that. From the selections, choose Ink 2. Tap Done twice to save selection. Under Grain Behavior, make sure that the behavior is set to moving. Set Movement to 5%, Scale to 15%, Zoom to Cropped, Rotation to Follow Stroke, and Depth to Max. Under Blend Mode, set it to Linear Burn, with Brightness at Max, and Contrast to 40%. In Rendering, set Rendering Mode to Light Glaze. Finally, in Apple Pencil, set Pressure Size to your preference. Setting it to max gives you the thinnest stroke when pressing lightly. Lastly, set Pressure Opacity to none. When using the brush, it randomly activates the opaque streaks within the stroke, so if at first they don't show, either undo the stroke or simply paint over the existing one. And there you have it, an easy and beautiful brush to get your artistic mojo going. Let me know about the creations you make with this by posting your work on Instagram with the hashtag #MakeThisBrush or tagging us at @MakeThisBrush. We've also got a Ko-fi page, so if you would like to leave a tip, feel free to do so, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and get notified for future updates. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!